face mask?
Uh, mask pack.
Skincare?
Yes, uh I was skincare in my face.
Okay. All right. So how was your day?
Uh, I'm good as
You're good,
as always.
as
Yes.
always. Okay. All right. Oh, why did you remove it?
It's uh
It's
became
already done.
it's became dry. So it
Ah,
mean it's done. Yes.
it's done. Okay. All right. So it makes your skin smoother.
Yes.
Uh,
My skin
okay.
is very dry. So uh these days I'm managing my skin.
Ah, okay. All right. Very good. So are you ready? Let's start with our lesson.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
All right. So let's try to go here for the lesson one.
Okay.
Okay. So we will be having a review. Okay. So what is OPIC? Look.
Uh, Opic, uh, Opic is each letter have some meaning.
Okay. What's the meaning of OPIC?
Okay, let me
You
inter
forgot.
let me introduce. So O means oral,
Oral.
and oral means mouth.
Hmm.
P is proficiency.
Proficiency.
Proficiency is maybe the fluency
Yeah, fluency.
of your English,
Uh-huh.
and I is interview.
Okay, very good. That's it. That's OPIC.
Yes, and
All right.
I forgot what is C.
Okay, you forgot what is C.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Internet online proficiency
ah,
interview
oh,
by
can I?
computer.
Yes.
Computer.
Uh, it was close.
It was close. Okay. All right, so that's true. Uh, Now let's go to the next slide. Okay. So don't forget the meaning of OPIC.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I think we don't need to discuss this. This is really simple.
Okay. This is about
Mm,
test characteristic, I guess.
yeah. Yeah. You don't need to discuss this. Okay. So let's go to chapter 3, unit 1.
Yes. Oh,
Okay. So this is the next question. So in OPIC, so since this is focused morely on interviews, so
ah,
remember, oral proficiency interview.
interview.
Okay. So I just want to remind you that OPIC, they will ask you different questions.
Right,
Okay.
right.
So I want you to answer them properly. Okay. So how do
Ah,
you answer OPIC questions? How do you answer it?
ah,
How? 어떻게? So you should answer it in complete sentences and
ah,
indirect answers. Okay.
okay.
All right. So you indicated in the survey that you
Yes.
go to school, right?
Ah,
So you're still studying,
yes.
right? So what kind of courses are you taking or had you taken in the past? So what's your major?
Ah, so if I change the major, should I check that the current
Yes.
major?
Okay. But
Okay.
what is your before you changed your major,
Yeah.
what major did you get?
Ah, okay. Uh, my major was uh design
Mhm.
before I changed my major, and now my major is computer science
Mhm.
in college.
Mhm.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's
Ah,
right.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you took designing courses.
Yes, yes. When I was freshman.
Okay. Designing major, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. So what courses or what major are you getting now?
Now I'm getting some mathematical basic of how computer works,
Mhm.
and some basic programming to run the code. Yes,
Mhm.
I'm taking that kind of courses.
Okay. So, yeah. Describe. So this is an additional question. Okay.
Ah,
What's the difference? What's the difference between designing and programming?
ah, uh, in my experience,
Mhm.
uh, for example, uh, if I design
Mhm.
uh, car,
Mhm.
one of car, I have to focus on uh, the beauty of the car.
Mhm. That's true.
Yes, I have to focus the value of the beauty. But do when I
Mm.
look that car in the view of a programmer, I
Mhm.
have to focus on how to uh,
Mhm.
so I have to focus on how
Mhm.
when design uh, I I focused on what
Mhm. I have to focus on what?
uh, 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 so
Features. Features. You can say
yeah,
features.
yeah, the features, and I don't care about how to make it real thing.
Uh-huh. Okay. So yeah, I understand.
Yes,
So you can say that in a designing perspective, if I am a designer, I will focus on the looks.
yes, looks.
If I am a programmer, I will focus on the features,
So
right?
so features means the function.
The functionalities.
Ah, I see.
Yes. So
Okay.
example, in a cell phone,
Yes.
right? There's a lot of features.
Yes, right.
Okay. There's a good camera. There's wireless charging,
Right.
or there's a front camera.
Right, right.
Okay.
There
So
are a
there's a
lot
lot
of
of features,
yes.
functionalities. Okay.
Ah,
All right. Very good.
features.
So you are a programming student.
Yes, I
Okay.
am.
So please describe the classes or the subjects that you are taking.
Mm,
So what are the subjects?
uh, so
Science, math, like that.
ah,
Subjects.
uh, 그, math, computer science,
Hmm.
mm, and physics
Physics. Okay.
in a
So
big
tell me
yeah.
why do you need to study physics in programming?
Because in computer science area there are
Mm.
many roots. I mean, computer science is big thing, and there are a lot of parts. And one of important part is dealing with some computer.
Computer
Sorry.
parts.
Yes, yes. So it's important to understand how electrics work. So to programmer, we have to understand in a
Mm.
deep, basic step.
We can say
Yes.
one of the important part is dealing with complicated programs that
Right,
have,
right.
yeah. Okay. So
So,
math. Okay. So what else?
uh, math math. Why a programmer learn math?
Mm.
Because programmer is basically uh, making some logical things.
Mm.
So to
Logical things. So
yeah,
you
so
need to solve the
yeah,
problems.
yeah. So we have to improve the logical thinking ability.
Mm. Ah,
So I
very
think,
good.
so I
So
think,
that's why.
yes, I think.
Okay. All right. That's great. That's a
Ah,
good answer. So we have to improve our logical abilities.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
So
I.
math. Next, you mentioned physics.
Yes. Physics, math,
Hmm.
and uh, programming.
Okay. So why is physics important in programming?
Mm,
Is it the same answer?
no, it's. I think I have different answer, but
Okay, good.
yeah. So physics. In the case of physics, uh, well, I think uh, we don't learn physics. It's my
We
mistake.
don't learn. Okay.
So
There's no physics.
yes.
Okay. All right. So what are other subjects that
Ah, ah,
you have learned in the programming course?
yes. Also, we make some prototypes in
Hmm.
uh, in the class.
Prototypes.
Yeah,
Okay.
in the class. So we have to run.
Hmm.
So we have to test that uh, things with making some rough
Hmm.
prototypes before we make complete
Hmm.
things. We have
Yes,
to.
of course. Prototypes are the first model,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So before you can finalize it,
yeah,
you should test it.
yes,
Okay.
right. So I think
Okay.
we learn more not physics but mechanics. I don't.
Mechanics.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
We learn mechanics to make prototypes.
All right. Thank you so much. So I like your answer. Very good. Okay. All right. So what are the so you or before programming,
Yes.
you mentioned that you study designing.
Yes, right.
So what are the subjects that you're studying in that field?
Design in design major. Uh, we learn art, drawing
Mm.
is the subject.
Okay.
So
Okay.
drawing and mechanics.
Okay, so morely you're focused on arts.
Yes, right. About like the
Mm-hmm.
like color or the history of
Colors.
arts. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
colors. Some drawings,
Mm-hmm.
like how to draw, how
Mm-hmm.
to match the colors, or how to draw the shades to. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yes,
Okay,
something
so
like
match.
that. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Color
All
match.
right. Very good. That's right. So aside from arts, what else?
Arts or
Mm.
uh,
What else?
arts and psychology.
Psychology.
Yes. So my major was design, but especially human
Mm-hmm.
factor designing.
Human sector designing.
Yes, the name was HFE. Human
Okay.
factor. Ah, yes. So
Or
it's
human field designing.
yes, yes, right. It's not common major,
Okay.
but as I uh feel, it's like the psychology with
Psychology.
science.
Okay. So arts, psychology, and science.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we I studied the things uh if I think that's a beautiful thing, then
Mm,
why human feel
I see.
that's beautiful. Yeah,
Okay.
so
So thank you so much. I
yes.
actually like your answers.
uh,
Okay. Just be
uh
careful about your grammar.
yes,
Okay.
I have
All right.
a lot
A
things
lot,
to say,
but you
but
cannot explain.
yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, Luke. You did well. So continue watching YouTube videos, and we will continue on Friday. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Goodbye.
bye.
Okay.